having trouble with mobile data on your Xiaomi phone? No need to stress, this video will guide you to fix it. The problem might be caused by wrong settings, a SIM card that's not placed right, or a network glitch. But you can try my solutions to easily fix such problems. Still, before anything, make sure you have the correct SIM card set for mobile data. If you have a dual SIM card, you may face data issues if the wrong SIM card has been enabled for mobile data. To confirm this, open Settings, tap Mobile Networks, and ensure that the correct SIM is set as your data SIM. After making sure of that, swipe down from the top of your phone and toggle on airplane mode for 20 seconds. Then toggle it off. This will refresh your network. See if that resolved the problem or not. If not, then let's move on to the advanced solution. Solution 1. Enable 2 advanced settings. Go to Settings and scroll down. Tap on Additional Settings. Scroll down again and tap on Developer Options. Make sure to turn this feature on beforehand. In the Developer Options, you'll need to change a few settings. Scroll down and find a setting called Mobile Data Always Active. Toggle this on. If you find this setting being enabled already, toggle it off and then back on again. After that, toggle on Tethering Hardware Acceleration. This will make your connection faster. Once this is done, close Settings and restart your phone. Now see if that fixed the problem or not. Developer options usually fix common issues that are related to data connections. Solution 2. Register a new access point name. Open Settings. Tap on Mobile Networks. Now tap on the SIM card name you want to activate mobile data on. If a name doesn't show up, just tap the first SIM box. From here, select Access Point Names. Access Point Names or APNs are needed for your phone to connect to a mobile data network. If you are facing issues with your current APN, then tap on New APN at the bottom of this page. Select the name and write Internet. After that, hit OK. Next, tap on APN and write Internet here as well. Once done, hit OK. Now tap on More in the bottom. Select Save. Now tap on this new APN to choose it if it's not already chosen for you. After that, the internet should work just fine on your phone. But if the problem persists, you can try the next solution. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Go to your phone settings. Then tap on More connectivity options. Then tap on Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Networks, and Bluetooth. Then tap on Reset Settings and confirm your action. This will not delete your phone data, but it will reset your Wi-Fi password, your mobile data settings, and Bluetooth connections. So after this is done, give your phone a restart and try to connect to your mobile data again. Hopefully, this time your problem will be resolved. Alright, that's how you can fix mobile data not working on your Xiaomi phone. I know data problems can be really annoying, so I hope these tips helped you get it working again. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below.